This is an emergency broadcast.
A signal is coming from outer space. The stars are calling.
What if something has been orbiting Earth longer than recorded history? Not a satellite, not space junk. Something older, and something watching for over 13,000 years. And what if we only noticed it by accident? Tonight, we are discussing the Black Knight satellite. So stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this one. In 1998, during a NASA shuttle mission, astronauts photographed a strange black object floating above Earth. The image spread quickly, dark, angular, and unidentified. Some called it debris, others called it something else. The Black Knight satellite. And according to legend, it did not arrive in the space age. It's been here the entire time humans have existed. Now, before we go any further, let's address the elephant in the room, or the one missing. You might have noticed that Mr. Bear is not in this episode. This is a new experimental short format inside the Pantheon Mysteries, which includes faster transmission, no long debates, just strange stories, and no need to deep dive into any creepy conspiracies. Bear heard short episode and said, if it's not classified and terrifying, I'm not clocking it. So, he's not here today, so it's just gonna be us. Sorry about that, so bear with me. Now, let's talk about the object. The story begins in 1899. Nikola Tesla, experimenting with wireless transmission in Colorado Springs, claimed he intercepted a strange, repeating signal. Signal he believed could be coming from space. Years later, during the early days of the Cold War, reports surfaced of unidentified objects detected in polar orbit. Something that didn't match any known satellites, something that was there long before we ever launched them. An object circling Earth in near perfect polar orbit. Not launched, not claimed, and not explained. Then, in 1998, during STS-88, astronauts captured images of a strange black shape drifting against the backdrop of Earth. The photo showed an angular object, almost mechanical, tumbling slowly in orbit. And that's when the legend was coined, the Black Knight satellite. Conspiracy circles began connecting the dots. Tesla's signals, Cold War radar detections, ancient orbit, the shuttle photographs, and a new theory formed. The object is not human. It's an alien probe placed in orbit thousands of years ago to watch, monitor, and record human history. Some say it transmits signals back to deep space. Others believe it's dormant technology waiting for a trigger event, a technological milestone humanity hasn't reached yet. The idea isn't invasion, it's observation. Imagine that. An ancient machine circling Earth silently through the rise and fall of civilizations, through pyramids, empires, wars, and revolutions. Watching the industrial age, watching the nuclear age, watching the digital age, still there and still orbiting. And if that's true, then the Black Knight isn't just debris. It's a witness, a surveillance device older than modern history. Then this is why the Black Knight satellite makes people nervous. It's been observing us for 13,000 years. What is it waiting for? An activation? Contact? Judgment? Or has it already transmitted everything it needs to know? The Black Knight satellite legend refuses to disappear, because once you imagine something silently circling above us, the sky feels different. So the next time you're enjoying a warm drink sitting outside looking up at the sky, be aware, because the Black Knight can be staring right back. That's going to do it for the short episode. If you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment. As always, I'm your host Adam, the big guy, not here today, but will be joining us soon. So until next time, be good, or be good at it.